New York welcomes you to Lenox Student Housing Accommodation, which is a perfect fit for students planning to pursue education with a pinch of adventure in it. Lenox offers you shared apartments to adjust in. It's a shared property, but if any student is willing to live alone to get that extra focus in their studies, don't worry, as you will get your own private bedroom with all the utilities one requires. Apart from this, the property also has amenities like a community lounge, high-speed Wi-Fi, a furnished rooftop, on-site laundry service, and monthly cleaning as well. You do get a private room and a shared washroom with a shared modular kitchen. The bedrooms welcome you with a single bed and a window to peep out for a fantastic view. Additionally, the City College of New York and Columbia University are just a few blocks away from the residence. For a bad day at college, places like West Harlem Piers, Conservatory Garden, and Graffiti Hall of Fame could be the best to give a happy ending to. The locality is filled with top-rated pubs such as just Lorraine's Place 2, Oava Sports Bar, and Harlem Hops, which are ideal for you to hang out and cheer up with your friends. So don't think twice, seal the deal by visiting amberstudent.com now.